Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the console and unplugging everything. This prevents shorting and avoids accidental power. Once done, flip the Series S onto a soft cloth. You want stability. Remove the two rubber feet at the bottom front, those hide screws, then use a T8 or compatible screwdriver to remove the exposed screws. You feel resistance as tabs release. Pry gently with plastic picks, not metal, because the clips are fragile and resistant to sudden force. Once the front screws are out, insert a plastic pick into the front seam and slide it toward the side to disengage the first clip. Do one clip at a time. You want to feel each tab pop without bending the plastic. That's why you use steady, even pressure and not twisting motions. Continue along the long side, moving the pick 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch until all clips release. Keep each removed screw and foot in a labeled container, so reassembly is straightforward. Lift the top cover from the side you began. You should see internal components and in some units small cable guides. Do not yank. If a clip stubbornly resists, reinsert your pick and work backward to free adjacent clips because forcing one clip can crack the shell. Once removed, inspect clips for damage. For reassembly, align the tabs, press evenly along the seam until each click is heard, then replace screws and rubber feet. If nothing fits, check for a missed screw or bent clip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.